Hello viewers, welcome back to Sahara TV. My name is Toyosi Phillips. Now, earlier this week there were issues with JAMB and Unilag increased its cutoff mark to 250 from 180, and JAMB basically said students were now going to be allocated to colleges and not necessarily given the right to choose their colleges themselves. And this issue was taken to court by SERAP. SERAP is the Socio-economic Rights and Accountability Project. So joining us now, a representative of SERAP, Mr. Olukayode Majekodunmi. Welcome to the show, sir.
Thank you for having me.
Okay, so what is this issue with Unilag and JAMB and SERAP?
The main issue with JAMB, Unilag, the Federal Ministry of Education, and others is the fact that we believe under our law it is only the joint admission matriculation examination that is empowered to determine all the issues in relation to matriculation, examination, admission into university and polytechnics in Nigeria. So we believe that is the only body that can determine everything in relation to university admission, polytechnic admission. And we believe that they have done their bit by setting the standard. All of a sudden we heard from University of Lagos that they are not going by 180, which was the cutoff set up by JAMB, and that theirs will be 250, and we believe all other federal universities will pursue the same option. And to us, federal universities are the most sought after university in terms of admission. So if the University Matriculation Board is at stage knew it was going to abdicate the responsibility of controlling university admission to universities, it should have advised the student to go to university for the exam. So our point in this case is that JAMB must do what the law requires of it to do. Take charge of university admission, take charge of every process leading to it, and that is just the basic facts about our case.
Okay, but the argument by these people, by Unilag, is that they get so many applicants. They get like most of the applicants basically around Nigeria, or I would say a lot, and they're trying to reduce that number. Is this a good enough reason to increase their cutoff mark?
So that is not enough reason for University of Lagos or any other university for that matter to go against what the law requires. I think I'm being particular now. Section 5 of the Joint Admission and Matriculation Board Act gives clear provision, JAMB, the power to be in charge of regulation of everything. So, and they have done that by setting the cutoff point at 180. So, and that should be it. So the fact that most students put in application to University of Lagos does not change the law.
Okay, I understand that, sir. So if this law, what you're trying to prevent now is universities coming up with their own cutoff marks?
Yes, after one has been set by the body recognized by law to do.
Okay, and have you received any response from JAMB?
No, we've not received any response from JAMB. Because the only response that is needed now is to file their response to our application, our enforcement of fundamental human rights application before the Federal High Court. So we've read so many things in the news, in the press, but that's not a response to our application. Because we filed the process, they've been served, we've seen evidence that they have been served. So the next appropriate thing required by law is for them to file a process. and we are waiting the date from court, so that by the time it is at that point in time, we'll know whether there is any response. We are not taking all what we have read in the press and on TV as response to our application.
Okay, so what do you have to say to JAMB's earlier decision and reversing of this decision to have students write their post-UME in other universities other than their first choice?
I think I personally think we will still take that as existing the realm of speculation. As far as this our present suit is concerned, we know we want to go by the basic legal procedure. There is a process against them. If they have changed their mind on what they said earlier, the proper thing is they should come to the court as a sign of respect to the court that we have done what the law requires of us. Then we'll know whether the next appropriate thing on our own part, whether to withdraw or to seek further clarification. Okay,
all right. Thank you, sir. Before I let you go, what's the update on your lawsuit against Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala over the missing $30 trillion or 30 trillion?
Yeah, okay. As of now, the courts are on vacation. They only attend to very matter of urgency. So most of the court judges are on vacation. We filed the present case against JAMB because we felt the post-JAMB of most universities is free for first or second week in August, and there is urgency in that. That's why we believe the court will hear that, and we are sure it will be heard by a vacation judge. The court that is handling our case against Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala is not a vacation judge, so our next date will be when the court resumes, sometime in September.
Okay, and I apologize, that was 30 trillion naira, not dollars.
No.
Yes, and you also had a case against states who had not paid their staff.
Yes, we state against states who have not paid their service, not in Nigerian court. We lodged a communication with the International Labour Organization, because that was the body recognized by the United Nations to regulate issues in relation to labor. So they are sitting on it. By now, the federal government, the state concerned through the federal government should have responded. We were waiting for the outcome decision of the ILO, the International Labour Organization, on our communication or what we call petition to them.
Okay, all right. Thank you very much. And finally, the internally displaced people, have there been changes in their situation? Because I know you took up a case on their behalf.
Yes, the internally displaced people, that is the case we are handling at the ECOWAS court. The case is still pending before the court, but we have seen some positive steps by the President, Muhammadu Buhari, in relation to the condition of those people. As at yesterday, we read in the press the fact that the President ordered that some measures should be taken against those who have been affected by bomb. That's a positive one for us. We believe very soon, or whatever the case may be, the case is still pending at the ECOWAS court, and we are on top of it.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
We are welcome. I'm happy to be here. Thank you.
All right, and that was Mr. Olukayode Majekodunmi, Deputy Executive Director of SERAP, talking to us about their lawsuit against JAMB. Stick around. We have a great show lined up for you.